Good morning, class. I am Lakshman Singh again with you with the remaining part of measures of central tendency. In last class, we learned how to find mean by direct method. Now we will learn how to find mean by shortcut method or assumed mean method and step deviation method. Let us take exercise 25, question number 13. If the mean of the following frequency distribution is 7.5, find the missing frequency f. So here we are given with variable x 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then frequencies are given 20, 17, f, 10, 8, 6, 7 and 6. Now first of all we will have to find out fx. So we can see f into x, that means is 5 into 20, that is 100. Similarly we find out 6 into 17, 102, 7 into f, 7f, 8 into 10, 80, 9 into 8, 72 and 10 into 6, that is 60, 11 into 7, 77 and 12 into 6, that is 72. So we have got all the fx. Then we will find out sigma f. Sigma f means sum of frequencies. So numbers we will add. So sum of the numbers we are getting 74 and 1 f is also there. So we write it plus f. Similarly, here also we will add 100, 102, 80, 72, 60, 77, 72. So we get 563 and 7f, which we did not add. Now we will write it plus 7f. So we have got sigma fx and sigma f. As we know, mean equal to sigma fx upon sigma f. Mean is given 7.5. Sigma fx we have got 563 plus 7f upon 74 plus f. Now we do this cross multiplication. So we get this cross multiplication, we do like this. So we get 555 plus 7.5 f equal to 563 plus 7f. So we transpose this 7f to the left hand side. So we get 7.5 f minus 7f. We get 0.5 f equal to 563 minus 555. So we get equal to 8. 0.5 f equal to 8. So 5 equal to 8 upon 0.5. We get 16. So missing frequency is 16. Let us take question number 16. Using shortcut method, find the mean height from the following distribution. So here heights are given. We can see that heights are given here 58, 60, 62, 65, 66, 68 centimeter. Number of plants given 15, 14, 20, 18, 8 and 5. Now we do assumption of mean. So we can see that 58, 60, 62, 65, 66. In the middle we have the two numbers 62 and 65. So any of this we can take as assumed mean. I have taken here 62 equal to assumed mean A. Now we will find out D. D is deviation. Deviation, how we find out? X means 58 minus 62. So 58 minus 62 we get minus 4. Then 60 minus 62 we get minus 2. Again 62 minus 62, that is 0. 65 minus 62, that is 3. Then 66 minus 62, 4. And 68 minus 62 equal to 6. So like this we have got all the deviation D. Now we have to find F into D. So 15 into minus 4. We can see here 15 into minus 4, that is minus 60. 14 into minus 2, minus 28. 20 into 0, that is 0. 18 into 3, that is 54. 8 into 4, 32. And 5 into 6 equal to 30. We have got all F into D. Now we add negative 1, 6, minus 60 and minus 28, that becomes minus 88. This all three we add, so we get plus 100. We can add them. So how much we'll get? 4 to 6 and 5, 3, 8, 3, 11. 116 we get. So 88. So we get plus 116 and minus 1 minus 88. So we get total equal to sigma FD, that is plus 28. Now we know that mean equal to, by assumed mean we are finding, so mean equal to A plus sigma FD upon sigma F. So A assumed mean is 62, which we assumed. Sigma FD we have got 28 upon sigma F. We added all these frequencies, so we can see sum is 80. So we get sigma F 80. So 62, this we write 62 plus 0.35. 28 divided by 80, we get 0.35. So we get our answer, that is 62.35. That is our required mean. This is written 60, it is 62, not 60. This is 62. Let us take question number 20. If the mean of the following distribution is 24, find the value of A. Here given marks, that is class interval, not x. X is not given straight away. Here class interval is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So find out x, that is class mark. First of all, we find out class mark here. 0 to 10, 0 plus 10 upon 2, that is 5. 10 plus 20 upon 2, 15. 20 plus 30 upon 2, 25. 30 plus 40 upon 2, 35. And 40 plus 50 upon 2, that is 45. Now, frequency given 7, A, 8, 10 and 5. Now we find out here D. D equal to x minus A. So first let us assume A. So in the middle we can see 25 is there. So we can assume 25 as assumed mean. Then 5 minus 25, we get minus 20. Then 15 minus 25, we get minus 10. 25 minus 25, we get 0. 35 minus 25, again we get 10. And 45 minus 25, we get 20. So here we have got D. Now we have to find F into D. So 7 into minus 20. 7 into minus 20, we get minus 140. A into minus 10A, that is minus 10A. 8 into 0, 0. 10 into 10, 100. 5 into 20, 100. So we can see positive, we have 100 plus 100, that is plus 200, and minus 140. So we get plus 60. Difference is plus 60 and minus 10A will be written as it is. Then find out sigma F, sum of frequencies. So 7 plus 8, 15, 15 and 10, 25, 5, 30, 30 plus A. We have got sigma F. Now we know that mean equal to A plus sigma FD upon sigma F. A we have 25 plus 60 minus 10A upon 30 plus A. 60 minus 10A is sigma FD, 30 plus A is sigma F. So mean is given 24. So we put here 24 equal to 25 plus 60 minus 10A upon 30 plus A. 25 we bring to the left hand side. So we get minus 1 equal to 60 minus 10A upon 30 plus A. We do here cross multiplication. So we get minus 30 minus A equal to 60 minus 10A. So minus a 10a minus 10a bring to left hand side plus 10a equal to 60 minus 30 gone to right hand side, that becomes plus 30. So we get here 9a equal to 90, a equal to 90 upon 9. So we get a equal to 10. That is our required answer. So let us take question number 22. Using step deviation method, calculate the mean of the following. So here class interval given 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110 and 110 to 120. Same way we will find out class mark. So 50 plus 60 upon 2, that is 55. 60 plus 70 upon 2, 65. Similarly, we find out 75, 85, 95, 105 and 115. Frequencies are given 9, 11, 10, 14, 8, 12 and 11. Now, we can see in the middle one, that is 85. We consider it, assume it as mean 85. Assumed mean is 85. Now we find out deviation D, that is x minus assumed mean A. X minus assumed mean A. So we get 55 minus 85. We get 55 minus 85 equal to minus 30. 65 minus 85 minus 20. 75 minus 85 minus 10. 85 minus 85 0. 95 minus 85 10. 105 minus 85 20 and 115 minus 85, that is 30. Now here we can see, now we have to use step deviation method. So we find out u also. U will be d upon c. D is deviation, this we have got, and c is class size. We can see 50 to 60. Class interval given 50 to 60, the difference is 60 minus 50, 10. Class size is of 10. So we divide all D's by 10. So see, 30 minus 30 divided by 10, minus 3. Minus 20 divided by 10, minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10, minus 1. 0 divided by 10, 0. 10 divided by 10, 1. 20 divided by 10, 2. 30 divided by 10, 3. So we have got now U. Now we have to find F into U. So let us see, 9 into 9 into minus 3, that is minus 27. 11 into minus 2, minus 22. 10 into minus 1, minus 10. 14 into 0, that is 0. 8 into 1, 8. 12 into 2, 24. And 11 into 3, 33. So now we have to do add and all. So we do sigma f. We add all the frequencies. So we get sigma f equal to 75. Then we add all fu. This column will be added. So we can see minus 27 minus 22. How much it is? Minus 55 or 10 minus 65. And here we are getting 8, 4, 8 and 24, 32, 3. 32 and 3, how much? This 27, 22, 49, 10, 59, minus 59 we are getting. And this we are getting plus 65, positive ones we are getting 65. So 65 minus 59, that is plus 6. So sigma fu equal to plus 6. Now mean by step deviation, that is a plus sigma fu upon sigma f into c. So we can see we have taken assumed mean 85. This sigma fu is 6 upon 75 into c 10. So on solving we get 85 plus 0.8. So our mean is 85.8. That is our required answer.